Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, enjoying the online and offline classes. I think all are understanding the lessons. Yes, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can send me the message or call me and ask if you are feeling any difficulty in any video or any question answers. Okay, now today I am going to start chapter number 6 before the examinations. Yes, now examinations are coming next month. So before the examination I'll teach the lesson before the examination. So what happened before the examination and the condition of the students. Okay, let us see in this. First we'll see in the comic. Okay, you have to read this comic first. Okay, and you have to you might have written, I told you to write the comic. So let us see what is there in this lesson. So examination times can be stressful for students, parents and even teachers, especially when children have not studied consistently. Okay, what they are telling, writer is telling that examination time is definitely tension for create tension, very stressful for the students, parents as well as teachers. Okay, all are in tension at the exam time. You know very well, there is no need of telling. Yes, होता है कि टेंशन होता है ना एग्जाम आते हैं तभी, है ना, पेरेंट्स को भी होता है, टीचर्स को भी होता है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट को सबसे कम होता है. यस, सबसे कम होता है, सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? सो स्पेशली व्हेन चिल्ड्रन हैव नॉट स्टडीड, जब बच्चे पढ़ाई नहीं करते तब तो सबसे ज़्यादा टेंशन होता है. पेरेंट्स को भी होता है, टीचर्स को भी होता है और स्टूडेंट्स को भी होता है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट स्टडिंग रेगुलरली, पंक्चुअली, दे आर नॉट स्टडिंग. ओके, सो दे आर वेरी मच they have not studied, so they are in very tension if they are not studied regularly. Okay, punctually. Now let us see the comic. Okay, we'll go through the comic first. Hey, look, I think these children have found some treasure. Look at all of them. You know there are four aliens in the comic. Okay, they have come from another planet. So they saw the children, they are sitting in a group in the garden. You can see in the picture. Yes, they are sitting in the garden all and doing something. According to the aliens, they are doing something. And so what they are telling, they are talking with each other that they found some treasure. Treasure मतलब खजाना. Okay, खजाना, इनको कुछ खजाना मिल गया है जो वो सब एक साथ मिलके देख रहे हैं. So they are talking that hey, they found some treasure. Look at them. Look at all of them. उन सबको देखो, वो लोगों को कुछ खजाना मिल गया है. No silly, they are studying for their exams. तो दूसरा एलियन बोलता है कि अरे नहीं पागल, वो तो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उनके एग्ज़ाम्स हैं, वो एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, they have to pay attention so that they can understand the complex sentences used in the books. So again there is some grammar part included in the comic. You know very well, in each comic we are studying some new grammar. So in this grammar they wanted to teach us complex sentences, types of sentences they are going to teach us. Okay, so what he told that they are paying attention on their studies because their exams are near and they wanted to understand the complex sentences used in the books. Okay, so he gave the introduction of complex sentences here. Now let us see what happened next. Just the way modes of flying have evolved, sentence construction has also evolved with time. Okay, so what they are telling that the flying wave is this, you can see here some flying what you can say that flight, no, that flying that mode, aeroplane or a jet or this one helicopter, or before that they are using for the flying in the previous time. So what they are telling, there are different modes of their flying, they evolved like that. Sentence construction also change with the time. Okay, they also change with the time. How the modes are changed of the flying, like that the construction of the sentences also change with the time. Okay, flying complex sentence, what do they have in common? So one of the alien asked that, what you are talking about? Sometimes you are telling flying, sometimes complex sentence. What is the connection between both? What is common in that? Okay, so he told that he means that if children do not study regularly throughout the year, it becomes very difficult for them to cover up with what has been taught. तो क्या बोलता है एलियन कि अगर बच्चे रेगुलरली पूरा साल पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, okay, so it is very difficult for them to cover up the portion in the last moment what has been taught in the class. बिल्कुल सही बोला ना उसने, अगर तुम साल भर पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे और एग्ज़ाम के टाइम सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए बैठोगे तो पूरे साल की पढ़ाई एक साथ समझ में नहीं आएगी. यू कैन नॉट कवर अप द पोर्शन. ओके, सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस दैट you have to, what do you mean, what did they mean for this? They mean that you have to study regularly throughout the year. If you do this, you will not feel any difficulty at the exam time, and easily you can cover up the portion. Yes, nice thought, nice wordings. So what happened? Similarly, if you don't know how to write simple sentence, making complex and compound sentence becomes very difficult. It is a kind of evolution. So what is telling that, जिस तरह अगर हम पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे तो हमको समझ में नहीं आएगा साल भर का एक साथ, वैसे ही हम लोगों को, if you don't know how to write the simple sentence, how to change the sentence from simple to complex or simple to compound sentence, then it is very difficult for you to for the evaluation. It is a kind of evaluation, because you have to learn to formation of sentences. Okay, types of sentences are there: simple, complex and compound. There are 3 types of sentences. You must know how to change the simple sentence into a complex and compound sentence. Okay, तो अभी इसके बारे में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे ग्रामर पार्ट में, कंसेप्ट कनेक्शन में. Okay, so let us see. Now they have introduced the types of sentences here. Okay, so this is all about the comic. So in the next video we'll go through the lesson. Okay, bye bye.